We've all had those restless nights of tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, unable to get more than couple hours of shut-eye. Irregular sleeping patterns, or even insomnia, can stem from several different things like depression, stress and anxiety. Certain medications can also cause insomnia. Pain medications, antihistamines, and heart and blood pressure medicines are among the many that contribute to sleep loss. Some medications may actually make you drowsy at first, but they can also trigger frequent bathroom trips or anxiety, which can further disturb your rest. Banana tea for deep sleep. This organic, banana-infused sleep remedy works wonders, and it tastes great too. How does it work? Bananas, especially the peels, are loaded with potassium and magnesium. While magnesium helps prevent sleep disturbances, both magnesium and potassium work together to help relax muscles. In fact, magnesium is the most powerful relaxation mineral known to man. Please note that bananas, which are not organic, are loaded with harmful pesticides, and since we encourage you to eat the boiled peel, it must be chemical-free. This tea takes less than 10 minutes to prepare, and can be enjoyed every night before bed. Ingredients: 1 organic banana, 1 small pot of water, a dash of cinnamon. All you need to do is cut off both ends of the banana, and place it, peel and all, into boiling water. Boil it for around 10 minutes. Using a colander, pour the water into a mug. If you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle the cinnamon into the tea. Drink it 1 hour before bedtime. If you're worried about being wasteful, you've clearly never had a boiled banana before. After the banana has been boiled, sprinkle some cinnamon over it. Eating the warm, gooey fruit and its peel along with the tea will increase its soothing effects, and it makes a yummy dessert. Why you should avoid sleeping pills. Out of despair, many of us resort to sleeping pills, and with almost half of the American population suffering from insomnia or poor sleep, it's no wonder. But here's the thing, sleeping pills cannot help you long-term. They provide a short-term fix. The majority of sleeping pills are a specific type of drug that induces and maintains sleep. They're classified as something called sedative hypnotics. Among other sedative hypnotic drugs are benzodiazepines and barbiturates. Benzodiazepines, like Xanax and Valium, can be addictive and are used to treat anxiety disorders by increasing drowsiness. Barbiturates depress the central nervous system, are used as anesthetics and sedatives. As with all drugs, there's a list of side effects that accompany sleeping pills. Aside from the likeliness of them being habit-forming, they can cause the following: constipation, dizziness, difficulty focusing and remembering, stomach pain, weakness, uncontrollable shaking, parasomnias. Sleeping pills also cause your breathing rhythm to slow down and significantly lighten. This means that if you're already suffering from lung diseases like COPD or even asthma, these meds can be dangerous and even fatal. This is how sleep deprivation affects your body. When your body doesn't get enough rest, it suffers. Cognitive function, your long and short-term memory is seriously affected. Processing even the simplest things seems challenging, and your emotional responses to things become totally skewed. The scariest part is that sleep deprivation has been linked to serious health problems, including obesity, diabetes and cancer.